Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Microsoft Outlook, creating calendar events for a task. In this walkthrough, we'll start from your Outlook mail inbox in a web browser and turn a simple task into something that's scheduled and easy to track. By the end, you'll know how to create a task, open its details, and add a due date so it's organized alongside the rest of your work. Begin on the Outlook mail page. You should see your inbox and the app navigation near the upper left area of the screen. From here, open To Do. This is Microsoft's task manager that's built right into Outlook. It's designed to keep your personal to-dos, flagged emails, and reminders in one place, and it connects with your calendar views to help you plan your day. Inside To Do, look for the option to add a new task. Click Add Task, then type a clear descriptive name. A short title works best, something that tells you exactly what needs to happen at a glance. For example, instead of just Report, use Draft Q2 Performance Report. You can press Enter to save it, and the task will appear in your list instantly. Next, open the task's details. Select the task you just created, then click the small circled eye icon associated with it. This opens the Details pane. Think of this as the command center for your task, where you can see its title, add context, and control key scheduling settings. Now add your due date. In the Details pane, choose the Due Date field and pick the date you want this task to be completed. Setting a due date not only gives you a clear target, it also helps Outlook and To Do surface the task where you plan your time, such as your daily agenda and, depending on your setup, in calendar-related views. If your work spans multiple time zones, be mindful of your account's time zone settings so reminders and day planning match your schedule. You can always come back here later to adjust the date as plans evolve. That's it. You started from Outlook Mail, opened To Do, created a clearly named task, viewed its details, and added a due date to anchor it on your schedule. From here, you can keep working in To Do to organize similar items, and as you complete tasks, simply mark them done to keep your day focused and clutter-free. Thanks for following along, and happy planning in Outlook.